The primary goal is a complete layout overhaul to create a modern, contemporary family home focused on fluid space, maximized light and transparency, while eliminating dark corridors. The new design requires an open-space living and dining area designed to fit a large sofa, a TV wall unit, and a formal dining table. The kitchen must serve as a central feature that is visually separated from the living area using a minimal or industrial-style glass partition with sliding doors. The layout must incorporate a total of 3 bedrooms, consisting of 1 master suite with a dedicated walk-in closet and 2 smaller bedrooms for future children. The project requires exactly 2 bathrooms, both of which must feature large walk-in showers and no bathtubs. Including a bathroom as part of the master bedroom suite is strongly desired, provided the total count remains strictly at 2 bathrooms. A glass-enclosed studio or home office is highly preferred to allow natural light and visual continuity while providing acoustic isolation for work. Within the kitchen, a cabinet door integrated into the tall units should ideally act as a hidden passage to a rear pantry or storage room. A separate technical laundry room must be included, with a strong preference for placing it within the veranda area marked on the plan. Plumbing placement must be strictly referenced to the primary waste stack location indicated on the floor plan for positioning all bathrooms and services. The design must account for a general net ceiling height of 3.14 meters throughout the house, excluding specific marked corridor beams. The existing bathroom features a high window with a sill height located approximately 1.80 meters from the floor. The electricity meter, located in the corner adjacent to the folding entrance door, must be concealed or integrated into custom furniture. The spatial design will be evaluated on how thoroughly it transforms the current layout, optimizes space, and establishes fluid circulation with a clear separation between living and sleeping areas.